Hello, everyone. Welcome to another SMS-iT Smart Tools Money Making series. Our featured tool for today is going to be the SMS-iT Polls. Now, this smart tool is going to allow you to create and send SMS surveys to your customers. Customers or you can use the polls to gain insights from your target audience or as part of your customer feedback process. Isn't that great? So, how do we make or how do we create SMS-iT Polls here on our platform? So first, we're going to need to log into your account, and you go here to the left menu panel, click on Smart Tools, and then click on Polls right here, and this is the SMS-iT Polls page. Now you just need to click on Actions here on the upper right, and click on Add Poll. So this is going to be the question that you're going to ask to a specific group or a specific target of campaign that you're asking the question. There's currently only at least 50 characters that you can type, so make it short. So we're just gonna do some testing here. Let's say what we want for Christmas. Well, it is Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everyone. And I'm gonna say we will have options, a lot of options for you to put in. So let's say you're gonna ask maybe a house. I would love a house. So let's put a house there, and your auto respond would be something like, let's say, granted, and then you say Merry Christmas to it. You can put up anything you like here, even links as an auto respond. So let's say next one would be a car, and we would put here. All right, and let's say this one is going to be a bike, and you can do a lot of auto responded options here up until option F. So you also have an auto reply message. Just hover your mouse here in the question mark. It would tell you what it does. So the auto reply message is the default message that gets sent only if you do not have an auto response for any of the specific options above. So if in case you did not put anything here, that would be this box with the auto reply instead. So let's say uh, thank you for participating. Right. So let's go ahead and save this. Right. So just quick tips in making a poll. Just keep it short and sweet. Keep your SMS polls sufficient and to the point. Keep questions brief and limit the number of options to choose from. Get to the point. Make sure your questions are clear and focused. Avoid asking too many questions in one poll. And lastly, make it relevant. Make sure your questions are relevant to your customer. Ask questions that will give you useful insights into your customer's opinion and experiences. By following these tips, you can use the SMS poll efficiently and effectively in your SMS marketing campaigns. Right now, let's go ahead and try and see if it works. So once you created a poll here and it gets saved, you will be brought back to the main page of the poll question page. So you just click. You'll have various options. You can send the poll that you created here on this message icon, and you can select it to the group, like I mentioned, to where you're going to be sending this poll into. You can also rotate through your long count numbers if you want to, but it's not necessarily or a requirement. So let's say I'm gonna go with a real estate here, and I'm gonna send this poll question. Right. So on that group, I actually have another account added to it, which is this account, and let's see if we got the response from here. So as you can see, we got the question, "What do you want for Christmas?" So I'm gonna say house. I want a house. I just simply send a response. You reply with the letter of your choice. And what do you know? I already got an auto respond, which the one that we created, which is granted. Merry Christmas. Perfect, right? So this would really be awesome for maybe asking feedback or suggestions from your customers. Let's say if you want some products that you want to be improved, or which one would they like best. So just be imaginative. What other questions would you like to ask from your customers? Now, on this panel right here, if you go back to the Pulse page again, you would have options like analytics here, statistics. So if I click this, you would immediately see that the number that I used earlier here on the other account, we have a chart here that would tell you that what his response is or what my response was. So as you can see, I got the letter A answer for the house for this number. So that you can track which one who likes what, right? All right, cool. So the other options here, if you just want to edit, is this one's for the edit. If you want to update this poll question, or if you want to delete it, you can delete it. Now, you won't be able to send this poll anymore if you've sent it before. So if you try it here, it would immediately tell you that the poll was already sent to this group. So please select another group. Otherwise, the previous poll for this group will be deactivated. Now, lastly, if I go back to the other account, if I'm going to reply another reply here to that number, letter C, for example, it would actually tell me that I've already voted on this poll. As you can see, I sent letter C, and it said that I have already voted in this poll. That way, it would block because we would just want one response for per customer. All right, so that's about it. I will be posting a link again at the bottom of this description of this video so that you can check some use cases on where you can use this. And it's going to be through our blog. So go ahead and click that one out. And I hope this video would be able to help you engage with your customers. And lastly, I would like to inform you again on our new pricing table for SMS-iT. So this is going to be for version 2.0. So I suggest you grab your subscription today with the recent prices for the version 1.0, because you would be grandfathered and you would be automatically upgraded to version 2.0. That way you can avoid a price increase, because we're going to be offering this version 2.0 for $299 for the starter package, and then we have like $699 and $999. So, and we have a lot of features to it added, and of course we have our new workflow automation as well. So it will be there will be a lot of robust new features. So I suggest you grab it now. And lastly, of course, there will be a face this if you haven't joined our Facebook group yet, to help you, because we have our lovely community that can assist you with everything you need. They are very responsive, so go ahead and join the group. It's going to be on the description as well, to the link to join the group. And I guess that's it. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in the next episode of SMS It Smart Tools Making Money Making series. Have a good day.